Dining with Diabetes is a cooking school that offers a practical approach to those trying to eat well with type 2 diabetes and their caregivers. We learn the Idaho Plate Method, which is a visual meal planning method for people with diabetes. We learn how to change our recipes so we're reducing fats and sodiums. And we learn how to read nutrition labels as well. We cover ideas for being more active. People like Dining with Diabetes because we don't try to change too much of what they're doing. We offer simple approaches to meals that they cook, and they still taste just about the same, and they still love it.
It changed my life. It changed my wife's life. I wholeheartedly recommend this program to anyone that has the opportunity to take it.